What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from Fun Spot America, Orlando, and we're here in front of White Lightning because something interesting is now on the track. Let's go check it out. Well, guys, that's going to do it for our video here from Fun Spot America, Orlando. And as we talked about at IAAPA last year, we knew the GCI was going to be testing this kind of hybrid track on White Lightning. And sure enough, it's shown up. Hopefully we'll have some test runs with the train coming up soon. We're going to have more updates. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.